Hey there, fellow curious minds. Welcome to Joon's Science Universe, the ultimate destination for all things awe-inspiring, enlightening, and thought-provoking. If you're passionate about exploring the wonders of our world and beyond, you're in for an incredible journey. I'm Joon's Science Universe, and I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. At Joon's Science Universe, our mission is to ignite your curiosity and feed your thirst for knowledge. We're all about unraveling the mysteries that surround us, delving into the unknown, and diving headfirst into the depths of captivating subjects. Whether you're fascinated by the secrets of the universe, intrigued by the wonders of nature, or eager to learn about groundbreaking scientific breakthroughs, this is the place for you. Our content spans a wide range of topics, from exploring the mysteries of outer space, unearthing the hidden history of ancient civilizations, to diving into the realms of science, technology, and innovation. We'll take you on journeys to the farthest corners of the earth, introduce you to extraordinary people who are shaping our world, and keep you up to date with the latest discoveries that redefine our understanding of reality. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of discovery, if you're excited to challenge your perspectives and expand your horizons, then I encourage you to hit that subscribe button right now. By subscribing to Joon's Science Universe, you'll ensure that you never miss out on the incredible content we have in store for you. Join our ever-growing community of fellow explorers, thinkers, and dreamers who share your passion for knowledge and adventure. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Joon's Science Universe. I can't wait to share the upcoming content with you and explore the mysteries of our world together. Remember to click that notification bell so you're always in the loop whenever we release a new video. Until next time, keep your curiosity burning bright, and I'll see you in our next captivating adventure.